How to use grocery pickup scheduling on Albertsons. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a simple YouTube tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to get the grocery, scheduling. So it's very easy. You just need to go over and follow the steps for that. So we can start by opening up the website of the application for Albertsons first of all and sign in or create an account if we've not done so. And that will link our rewards and saves our orders. Now from the orders page right here, what we can do is look out for the option called pick up or drive up and go. We can just go and look out for our location first of all and click on it and choose up a location. So go ahead and choose up a location here, type it up, and here we can select the option for drive up to go. So we have in-store delivery and pickup. We can select this third option called pickup, or instead of this, if you have drive up and go, you can select that option. Once you've entered of your zip code and click on the specific one, for example, this one right here, and click on select. After that, you just need to click on yes, and you can proceed with the instructions. And we can select up the pickup mode and everything and wait for this to complete at first. Once it is done, we can add up items to our cart. So we have different items available here: fruits, snacks, dairy. You can use these weekly deals or coupons as well. Go ahead and select one of those and add it to cart. You can look out for add to cart option and click on that option and add it to cart. Once it is done, in the top right, we can find a cart option that we can click on. Go ahead and check out with the product that you have chosen, and you can select a date and time slot when you would like to have the pickup, and you can review everything and pay online and confirm up your order. Once it is done, you can pick up your groceries as well. You can drive to the store and go ahead and park and drive up and go to the parking spot. You can call the number on the sign or check in via application as well, and a staff member will bring you all the groceries and load them into your car. And you will also be getting a message once your order is ready. Usually you just show up within your time window. And that's it, everybody. You just need to go over and follow out this method and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.